Hi, my name is Alessandro, and now we are at SPS 2025 in Nuremberg, Germany. And here we are at our booth, PanelMate, which is a hardware company, manufacturing industry.
This your factory?
Yeah, that's our factory located in China, Shanghai. Here we have our manufacturing facility, which is like 6,000 square meters of surface size. And then we also have our sales office, which is located in city center in Shanghai. Okay.
And you do, for example, a product like this?
Yeah. So here we have our standard economical version of our display. This one is the display version of our industrial product. So below here in the cabinet we have our. So it's a little bit messy.
Yeah.
Actually. Wait.
There's a computer?
Yeah, computers. Maybe we can show over there, which is the same as the one we are connected to our display. Okay.
So for example, which one?
So here we have our standard fanless products, which is, you can see that we have the Raspberry CPU, and then also the Rockchip, and then the Intel Celeron, the different versions. Okay.
So it's Broadcom, Rockchip, and Intel x86 ARM.
Yes, exactly. And then these are the
Which one is the Rockchip,
versions.
maybe?
Rockchip,
maybe this?
Is this one? Yeah.
Could be.
Yeah, it could be this one actually.
So it's fanless?
No, actually, I think it could be this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got very strong fanless design, so it will not get too hot.
Yes, exactly. And then we also do have for like more performing versions, the fan versions. As you can see, this one is thicker because we can add on more like a run SSD options for our customer if it's needed. Okay.
Nice. What do we see here?
This is the integrated display, as you can see here from behind. This one's EX explosion proof panel that we do sell quite a lot to our customers in Europe and also in China. And also here we have our I/O modules. These ones are like the coupler and then the input/output. Okay. And then here is only the analog version. The digital version. For the analog is gonna come out like in a few months. Okay. And then we have the industrial keyboard. Everything is customizable. Okay. And then here we have our standard display monitors for industrial level. And then we have the handheld panel station, which is this one, for the robot for the CNC control for distance. Okay. And then here is our KVM solution. IDD Link, we call it IDD Link 4 for the long range. The maximum range is 100 meters with a Cat6 cable. Okay. So we will have like a transmitter and a receiver. It could be integrated also into our PC box. Okay. And here we have the ditch pendant used for the robots, as you can see here.
So how is it used for robots?
So usually you will be like one connection here, like everything is connected in one, like the power supply, also the USB and the video signal will be displayed here. This is basically just like a display for the robots you can control remotely.
Could be the brains also?
No, this one is only the display. Okay. Which is very requested in the Germany market, this one.
All right.
And then here we have
special aspect ratio. It's a 4x3 or something, a square.
You mean the dimension for this one?
Oh, maybe one? The screen, this one.
Yeah, this is 4x4.
Could be.
Yeah, could be. Actually, I don't know the exact spec of this one.
Yeah.
So this one is for the solution of the UPS solution, which is the like sometimes because of the electric current. So if you shut down everything, this one is like a battery that supplies the machine for the safety shutdown. And then everything is customizable by our software, Smart UPS.
And this is similar to the other one?
This is the ARM installed panel PC. And then we do have like two options. One is for the stainless arm and also the aluminum one. All these products are produced and developed in-house. So we have the machines to cut and
Is high
mold
quality?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, as you can see, you can also touch and bend, and then
You can punch it? No.
yeah, I mean,
don't
like,
want to
not
do
too
that.
strong.
Gonna break my hand.
Yeah, and then here we have also the 100% stainless machine.
So
Everything is customizable: buttons, names, and stickers, and also the attachments.
little tables.
Yes.
So who's your customers? All over the world, you have customers?
Yes, all over the world. Right
And
now
in
we
the
are,
SPS automation market, you have a lot of business there, and like factories and all this stuff.
yes, like our main customers usually are distributors as well, and also like final customer like CNC machine builders and pharmaceutics manufacturers, basically.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adapters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.